Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Tuesday, August 3rd, 2021. It is 3:55 and 48 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, changes on DNA. So let's on to it here. Exercise improves health through changes on DNA. Date August 2nd, 2021. Source, University of Copenhagen, the Faculty of Health and Medical Sciences. Throughout 6 weeks of physical exercise led to changes in the epigenetic information of skeletal muscle cells in young men. And these changes took place in areas of the genome that have been linked to disease. The scientists say the research shows how exercise remodels DNA in skeletal muscle so that new signals are established to keep the body healthy. DNA is a molecular instruction manual found in all our cells. Some sections of our DNA are genes, which are instructions for building proteins, the body's building blocks, while other sections are called enhancers that regulate which genes are switched on or off, when, and in which tissue. The scientists found, for the first time, that exercise rewires the enhancers in regions of our DNA that are known to be associated with the risk to develop disease. The findings provide a mechanism for the known beneficial effects of exercise. By connecting each enhancer with a gene, they further provide a list of direct targets that could mediate this effect. The team of scientists hypothesized that endurance exercise training remodels the activity of gene enhancers in skeletal muscle. They recruited healthy young men and put them through a 6-week endurance exercise program. The scientists collected a biopsy of their thigh muscle before and after the exercise intervention and examined if changes in the epigenetic signature of their DNA occurred after training. The scientists discovered that after completing the endurance training program, the structure of many enhancers in the skeletal muscle of young men had been altered. By connecting the enhancers to genetic databases, they discovered that many of the regulated enhancers have already been identified as hotspots of genetic variation between individuals, hotspots that have been associated with human disease. The scientists speculate that the beneficial effects of exercise on organs distant from muscle, like the brain, may largely be mediated by regulating the secretion of muscle factors. In particular, they found that exercise remodels enhancer activity in skeletal muscle that are linked to cognitive abilities, which opens for the identification of exercise training induced secreted muscle factors targeting the brain. The data provides evidence of a functional link between epigenetic rewiring of enhancers to control their activity after exercise training and the modulation of disease risk in humans. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.